This $2 trillion industry is getting an extreme makeover, and you're not going to believe who's behind this. This industry is generally considered backbreaking, chaotic, and just not a fun industry to work in. That industry is construction, and the person who's changing it is Dr. Sarah Buchner. Sarah has worked in construction for over 20 years. She's done construction management work at McGill University. She holds a PhD in engineering and data science, and she also has an MBA from Stanford. Now, this unique experience allowed her to build a large language model and engine to create the AI behind Trunk Tools, the company she founded. So when you're using Trunk Tools and you're out in the field, you're able to look at your tablet and your device and see thousands and thousands of documents. So what does that mean? You can go through and see, was there supposed to be a door here? Where are the errors? Is this door supposed to be electric? Do I need to have electric on this side of the wall? So as we talked about in episode 1, in 2024, we had $315.5 billion in rework in construction. So you can see very quickly how by using Trunk Tools, you can save millions and millions of dollars. Now, I think the coolest part of Sarah's story is the fact that she actually built the engine. So when we think about AI, let's not just think about how can AI make my job easier, but how can we think of ourselves as the asset? How could your unique experience, your unique expertise allow you to create an engine that can power a product that can change the world? So let's think about AI differently. How could we be the asset and create AI to be very powerful and life-changing?